Hi, I'm Joe, from Agile Goes Ape, and I want to share a story someone recently posted that really hit home. They talked about how Agile in their organization felt bloated, heavy, and wasteful. The backlog had everything thrown in, such as stories, tasks, admin, wishlist items all swirling in a murky soup, no clarity, no value slicing, just an overwhelming list that caused more confusion than progress. Classic inventory waste. Then came the meetings. So many meetings, ceremonies, syncs, planning, more syncs about the syncs. The team was drowning in motion without movement. Overburden everywhere. People were working hard but achieving little. Energy was drained not by the work itself, but by the process wrapped around it. And there was no real capacity planning. Just a vague hope that people would get through it. No factoring in team availability, no real limits. Just constant overcommitment. That's overwork and wasteful. What struck me most was the honesty. This person clearly cared. Their team wasn't slacking. They were trying, but the system they were in had drifted far from agility and much closer to what I call Agile Theatre, where it looks like agile, but doesn't feel like it. It reminded me why lean thinking is so crucial. Less is more. Clarity is power. Respecting people's time and headspace. That's where real agility lives. So, here's my take: clean the backlog and cut the meeting clutter and visualize actual capacity. You need to prioritize flow and value. And remember, Agile isn't a checklist, it's a culture shift. Let's do better. I'm Joe, from Agile Goes Ape. If this resonates, do visit our website agilesgoesape.com, or DM your thoughts below, or repost to keep the conversation going. Let's make Agile fun, effective, and a little bit wild again. I'd love to know your take and your story and understand if this sounds familiar.